Greetings, paleo enthusiasts. Welcome backers. Today, we're stepping back in time to explore one of the most intriguing chapters in Earth's history, the extinction of dinosaurs. Join me as we journey through the Cretaceous period and uncover the mysteries surrounding the demise of these magnificent creatures. Get ready for a prehistoric adventure. The Mesozoic era, home to the iconic dinosaurs, was a time of colossal reptiles ruling the Earth. But then, around 66 million years ago, an event occurred that forever changed the course of history: the mass extinction that wiped out the dinosaurs. The Alvarez hypothesis suggests that a massive asteroid or comet impact played a pivotal role in the extinction event. Join me as we explore the evidence supporting this theory, from the discovery of the Chicxulub crater to the layers of iridium found in the geologic record. The aftermath of the cosmic collision led to a phenomenon known as impact winter. The massive release of debris and gases into the atmosphere blocked out sunlight, causing a dramatic drop in temperatures. This environmental upheaval had catastrophic consequences for life on Earth. As sunlight diminished, photosynthesis was disrupted, leading to a collapse in ecosystems. Plants struggled to survive, herbivores faced food shortages, and carnivores, in turn, experienced a decline in prey. The intricate web of life that had flourished during the age of dinosaurs began to unravel. While the dinosaurs faced extinction, a group of survivors seized the opportunity: the mammals. Explore how these small, furry creatures, once overshadowed by the mighty dinosaurs, seized the chance to fill the ecological void left by the massive reptiles. And so, the age of dinosaurs came to an end, making way for a new era dominated by mammals, including our distant ancestors. If you found this journey into the extinction of dinosaurs as fascinating as I did, hit the like button, subscribe for more prehistoric content, and share your thoughts on the mysteries of the Mesozoic era in the comments below. Until our next adventure through time, stay curious.